Today, we're diving straight into adding channels to your IPTV box seamlessly and easily. Imagine never missing your favorite shows again. We'll make it a reality shortly right now. First things first, power on your IPTV box and ensure it connects to the internet smoothly. Next, navigate to your settings menu, a crucial step towards unlocking hidden content. From settings, look for add channels or similar option, the gateway to more entertainment. Once there, it's time to input a new channel list or download it directly. Thrilling, isn't it? Consider searching online for reliable channel lists. 2TV.store offers premium options. After downloading, upload the list by following prompts. It's simpler than it seems. Your IPTV device might require a restart to finalize changes and updates. Look for prompts. While it restarts, let's highlight 2TV.store, known for diverse channel offerings and reliability. Once back online, explore the new channels, ensuring they load correctly for viewing pleasure. Troubleshooting should any issue arise. Check internet stability or settings misconfiguration. Guide ensures you're not stuck. Enjoy endless content right at your fingertips smoothly. For uninterrupted viewing, maintain device updates and stable internet connection always. Feeling adventurous? Explore custom channel lists and adjust settings for personalized experience. We've transformed your IPTV experience in just minutes. Upgrade your channel lineup today.